Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have 6 hectares or a total of 6 hectares for sale at 250 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Hinlayagan, Trinidad, Bohol, a northern part of Bohol province, boundary of San Miguel, Bohol. So this is really a good place for retirement, farming, and pwede siya warehouse, pwede siya housing. Then there is a rice field and nasa rice field guys, an upland. So you can also build a business, no? Pwede siya mag-business dire kay it is really along the concrete road. Then you can buy also a portion of 2 hectares. Kung di nimo kaya ang 6 hectares, 2 hectares lang ang palita. Pwede na dito sa likod dapit nga side. But still it is along the road. So nindot gihapon guys. I repeat, pwede ka mo palit og 2 ka hektarya at 250 pesos per square meter. Then this is really good because it is really very close from National Highway. Dol aning Emru dapit ra didto. So it is owned by my relatives pod nga taga diha, no. Pero wala dinhi, tuwa sila sa Sugbo. So kini guys, nindot jud kayo ni pang investment or negosyo. Pwede kaya. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel.